At the Starbirds show. Okay, what do you got going on? Tell them all about it. Whoa, we got anybody. Look at that, right there. He's got to find the red truck, and he found it. So we're at the Starbirds car show. They're doing burnouts right now, I think. Rugrats or something. Go check this out. Oh yeah, he can go burn his tires off. Rugrats. What? Is it full driver? No. So here's our view of the Starbirds car show. I'm interested in seeing that one with the Detroit diesel in it. This is my buddy. Oh, we got mini bike drags going on. If you're in Tulsa right now, you probably ought to get up here and get you some of this. Look at this guy. Got a Savoy Robart Turbo LS. It's like old truck row over there. What do you think of this, RJ? Thumbs up. Yeah. And then let me see what I see. All those VW guys are my friends from years back. But here we are, Starbirds car show 2023. Hey, how you doing? I know that girl. Just tell her, hey, what's up, what's up? So we got, and then up there's all the shiny stuff. So we'll probably be doing a tour today of the stuff. Let me see your hat. What did it say? What's your hat say? I G84 that? I wonder what that is. That's nice. We'll see you later.